Among the news hitting the headlines right now is in regards to the two men that have been arrested for allegedly embarrassing President William Ruto in Heckling incident. Hours after Interior Cabinet Secretary Kithure Kindiki directed police officers to arrest planners and financiers of Kenyans who echoed President William Ruto and other leaders in Bomet, arrests have been made. As relayed by a report covered on Nation publication, two individuals have been arrested in connection with the incident. The report adds that politicians who fueled the incident are as well being sought by the relevant authorities following yesterday's Kithure Kindiki's orders. I shall quote this report. Two suspects arrested, politician and others being sought for heckling during President William Ruto's Bomet tour on Saturday, Elgeyo Marakwet County Commissioner Ahmed Omar confirms. Now the question is, why should you be arrested for trying to express your constitutional right? Interior Cabinet Secretary Kithure Kindiki's orders to arrest Kenyans, however, sparked sharp reactions from Kenyans online and leaders affiliated to Azimio la Umoja One Kenya coalition. Led by Advocate Ndegwa Njiru, the leaders vowed to defend Kenyans pro bono on whoever will be arrested for heckling the head of state. Lawyer Miguna as well defended Kenyans, saying everyone is entitled to right of expression. He fired at Nelson Avi, who endorsed Kithure Kindiki's orders to punishing whoever will be found heckling President William Ruto in a public event. Lastly, in your opinion, do you agree with the Interior Cabinet Secretary Kithure Kindiki's orders to Tom police bosses? Meanwhile, let us wait and see what happens next. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel, FM Show KE.